Happy Father's Day. Oh, I see you. Hey, thanks for visiting, amor. What you got? What you doing, huh? You look super cute. Oh, where are you? I think I moved and I can't see you anymore. Hello? What kind of bird are you? Are you a warbler? Are you like a pink? No, you're like orangey red. What kind of bird are you, huh? You're a warbler, aren't you? Maybe a red jay? No, I feel like the coloration is not quite red, is it? Where are you? Let's see. I wish this magnification was a bit higher so I could like really see you. Ah, goodbye.